At last we got some movements on USDCAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Thank God. Anyways, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay. So as you can see, I am in a 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours chart of USD CAD. And let's do the analysis first. As we all know, US dollar, Canadian dollar was in a downtrend for a long time. Okay. And overall the trend is towards the downside, and after reaching this particular point onwards, market went sideways. Okay. And if you have watched any of my videos on USD CAD, then you know it pretty well why this happened. Okay. If you have not, then I'll be explaining in shortly here also. Okay, so market was in downtrend, and right now market is trading in a tight range, or rather I would say that market was trading in a tight range, and at last market tried to break the range during the last trading session on Friday. Okay, so this thing happened because of this weekly chart. Okay, this is a weekly chart, and you can see that right on the weekly chart, market is just standing at the support level. Okay, and this support level belongs to the year 2017, and right now we are in the year 2021. If I zoom out the chart, okay, you can see that in the year 2015-2016, market was very much bullish. Market was in a bull run. Okay, but when market reached this particular price level in the year 2016, okay, market faced some selling pressure from above, and market started falling, and market tried to go up in the year 2020. Okay, but market failed. Okay, or market faced the same selling pressure that it faced in the year 2016. So 4 years, and the resistance is still valid. Therefore, the resistance from 2017 is still acting as a valid support. Okay, sorry, this is a support. So the support from 2017 is still acting as a valid support, and as a result, market is falling since 2020. For 1 year, for one whole year, market is in downtrend. But once market came down to this particular price level, the price stopped falling, which means that buyers were present in the market. Bulls are there in the market who are very serious, and they will not allow the price to go down further. As a result, there was some good battle. Okay, there was some good battle. Okay, we got some dojis, spinning tops. Okay, and somehow manage bulls manage to what bulls managed to um keep the market afloat. Okay, bulls managed to hold the support. Okay, and right now we are in a range here. Okay, we are in a range here. Okay, so this thing happened because of the support from the year 2017. Okay, and during the last trading session, market somehow tried to close this particular level. Okay, so you can see that on the chart I have got two levels here. 1.2009 on the downside, which is the support for us, and on the other hand we have 1.2148 on the upside. This is the resistance for us right now. Okay. So let me discuss this level first. Okay, so this being the most safe level here. Okay, so this is the level I was talking about on the weekly chart. Okay, so in case you find market taking support at this price level, then you can go for a buy order. If you see that market reverses or bounces from this particular price level, because see, this level belongs to the weekly chart. This is the level that successfully, okay, that successfully managed to hold the support level. This is the level where buyers are sitting, this is the level where bulls are sitting. So this is the most important level. So in case you find market taking support at this price again, you can go for a buy order. Okay, But you can see that right now market has um, crossed this resistance level, and somehow market managed to close above this resistance level. But still we cannot be sure that the resistance has become the support, and still we cannot be sure that this is a trend reversal, because for a trend reversal we need a V pattern. Okay, without the V pattern we cannot be too sure that this is a trend reversal. And right now the chart is like this. Okay, until and unless we get a V pattern we cannot be too sure. Okay, therefore let the market open on Monday. Okay, let the market open on Monday and see where the price goes. If you see that after 4 to 8 hours or 4 to 6 hours price is trading comfortably above this level, if you do not see any price struggle, if you see that bulls are still present in the market and they are very much serious to take the price upward, then you can go for a buy order. And if you are looking for more safer entry, then what you can do is that right now you can see that stochastic RSI is almost at the overbought zone. Therefore wait for the stochastic RSI to the wait for stochastic to come down to the oversold zone. This is an oscillating indicator, it will come down to the oversold zone again. So wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold zone. So when stochastic RSI will be moving up again like this, just look for the price. Just look at the price and see where the price is. If you see price trading above this particular level, okay, when stochastic RSI will be moving up again from the oversold zone, and if you still find price trading above this level, then also you can go for a buy order, and this will be much more safer entry for you. Okay, so three opportunities here. Okay, this is the first trading opportunity. If you find market coming down to the support level. Secondly, okay, if you find market doing good after 4 to 6 hours on Monday, you can go for buy order. And for safer entry, wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the oversold zone. When it will be going up again, you can grab it if you find the market trading above this level. Okay, so these are the trading possibilities and opportunities on USD CAD, US dollar Canadian dollar chart. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All of us, take care. See you on Monday.